Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Saturday afternoon. We're going to Madapdap, Mabalacat, Pampanga and Leta in Boaque. We're gonna meet with girlfriend, with our friend from Dubai, and we join with Sir Georgie.
Yes, Georgi want to see also Madapdap, Mabalacat. This is place, wait, I will say. This place in where we go, not so many foreigner know. So we will show now where we go. Парк, парк. Hi friends, we in Madapdap now. Shaira know this place. But you say you have so many relatives here.
Yes, I have so many relatives here in Madapdap, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So we're here in the park. So many stores here, so many foods also here. And most of people here go here every Saturday and Sunday also.
Many girls also here. So many. Okay, let's go inside the park. Girls shy. Without face mask, no entrance. This is center of Madapdap, Mabalacat. Did you know about this park, Shaira?
No,
Your first time?
yes, it's my first time here.
First time in the park.
Yes,
But in Madapdap you many times already been. Not, but
maybe
you
it's 2 times only.
only 2 times.
Two
How
times.
2 times? If we been together only maybe 3 times.
It's 2 times.
No.
Oh, maybe it's 5 times with you.
5 times. Georgi, what you can say about this place? What you think? Interesting. You never been in the same place.
No, I never been, but everyone look at us because maybe no foreigners here. They rarely can see foreigners here, so everyone looking for us, no, but at us. It's all.
Oh, it's okay. We can walk more. We're going to eat. Shaira want it. Shaira, show me what you want to eat now. Okay. Shawarma also. Shawarma Express. This shawarma. You can try. 50 peso only with cheese. Georgi, take a look, shawarma. In Malabanias, shawarma 70 peso, but now it's 40 only. What you order? What you want? With cheese. Here you won't buy maybe. Oops. Georgi, did you try it before? Don't know. Never. No, he thinking later.
Yes, I tried fish in Thailand only.
Same.
Same fish in Thailand.
Barbecue.
Manok.
How to translate manok, Shaira? Chicken, it's manok. Okay.
When I was in Boracay, there is manok, barangay. Manok. Because they do fighting.
Okay.
Yes.
Most of people here very friendly, you know, you seen, yes?
Very friendly.
Very.
They scream, friend. Very friendly.
Yes. See, oh my. So noisy, same in our home.
Hi guys, we're here in Mawake, Mabalacat, Pampanga. So we're going to wet market.
No, not market. It's what you explain. What is this place? Because it's a park, also people's park.
Also
Or
have-
what location?
It's here in Mawake, in Mabalacat.
Mavoke, Mabalacat. And what is this park? We're going to the park.
This is park and have church also here.
Park from the church.
Yes. So we're going to Mawake Market here in Mawake, Mabalacat, Pampanga. You can see here, you can buy some fresh fish and meats, and also have fruits, have accessories also here to buy for children, for old, and then street food also here.
Weekend, so many people always here.
Because every Saturday and Sunday, they go here in playground. And most of Filipino go here to mass every Saturday and Sunday also.
Dito, maligod ka. Dito.
It's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Shaira, what
Cassava
is this?
cake, you know.
Cassava cake. It's another type of cake. It's rice.
So this
This
is
one
cassava cake, Shaira.
Yes. You can try. It's good.
And that cassava cake.
Mm-hmm.
What's the difference?
This is violet. I don't know how to
Yes,
say.
I see the color, but why? Why color is different?
It's depend on the rice. Bab, nanya kasi ni Bab?
35, 40,
Nanya kasi ni Bab? Nanya? Rice.
Kasabo.
Kasaba ini.
Rice cake.
It's rice cake. It's kasaba.
Ah,
35 lang.
Georgi, you can buy and try if you want.
No, we can sit there. Try this one.
And we can sit in the park. You just try. Okay, Shaira, you buy for me. I will try and I will check.
Makanya kasi kita koy.
Georgi, I will try now.
Kita wa.
If you don't want, I will try.
Yatong.
Leon will try
35
now.
ba ita?
35, 40.
Tang 40 na po.
How much?
40.
Okay.
Tigay pong kaya kutsara? Or kaya?
Georgi, I will give to you and you will try. Okay?
I don't know.
Okay. I will first I will try and
At
later you.
manyadang mo pong plastic. Pangkay mo po. Tang panggamat. This one can hold it.
I?
Don't know.
For what is?
Don't know. Don't have spoon.
Don't have spoon. But in the motor have spoon.
Really?
Yes. In the motor also.
Chicken, sir.
Like this, magnetic food.
What is this? Tilapia. Вот.
Dito, native, magnetic food.
It's
Excellent.
eel.
Yeah,
Eel.
native.
Not now, not now. Next time. Thank you.
I buy here the mango.
You like, I know. This is manga. This manga before, green manga. Georgi,
Wala
you
na
said
tang
this
makakaya,
good.
na tang maka...
You can buy if you want.
Wala na po. Magkano yan?
I can buy the same in Balibagla.
Yes, but we can sit in the park now.
Cha?
Yes, we can sit in the park.
You want green mango?
She will buy for me.
Ini nam. Pwedeng takay lang. May manghang yan. Go.
We're going to the park, sit in the park. Need to find a place for sit.
You can sit there.
But where?
Yeah.
But why don't have light now?
I don't know.
Oh, we can sit here. It's up. Georgi, you can. Okay, I will try first.
Of course, you try
I
it
will try
first.
first. Okay.
Oh.
It's for travel kit and my motor always. It's cassava cake, Shaira.
Yes, it's
Cassava
cassava
cake.
cake.
Georgi, you take.
No, you first.
No, you hold only a spoon and fork.
But I don't like maybe.
Spoon don't like or you don't
good.
like. If I say to you it's very good, but it's really not very good, you will trust me? Or not? Or you trust Shaira? Okay, I will try. Really good, Georgi, really good.
Is it sweet?
Little bit sweet.
It's middle.
Middle, yes.
It's from cassava root.
Okay, if
What is it?
Cassava, it's like fruit.
fruit, cassava
From
fruit.
root.
Take a look, I take more. If I not take more, it's mean not good, but I take more. I can eat all.
It's good.
Try. Georgi, if not good, I not eat more. Try. I think next time you will buy this one.
Why
It's fluffy because they cook it.
You can eat all.
Eat.
Try. Georgi, it's okay, don't worry.
smell good?
It's good. Even in restaurant, they sell it.
Yes, but in restaurant more expensive.
More expensive. Because this one, they cook here already. But if they deliver to SM or to another restaurant, it's more expensive.
This coconut, no?
It's coconut.
Also coconut,
It's good.
very good.
I already say to you, it's good. It's good with tea or with... They use that one like celebrating with Christmas, birthday,
Yeah, it's holiday in
holiday.
Philippines. Always.
You can see in the table.
Shaira, you can also eat.
I'm eating mango right now.
Oh, mango.
It's good, right? It's not rice. It's cassava root. The other one is rice cake. The violet one.
Also many girls will take a look. No, many children also. This is place for all people come meet here in this area. After mass, when finish mass in the church, they go outside and sit. So need only wait in the church. When already church is finished mass, is correct I say?
It's fresh, yes?
Fresh.
Still hot.
Yes, it's new only cook.
I remember Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean in the church.
Do you want, Sergey?
So big. I like.
Of course.
So what you think about?
What more?
Georgi, what you think about cassava cake?
Yes, it's good. Sweet. And
So next time you
I-
already not afraid to buy this one.
and it's still hot because they cook maybe several minutes ago.
Yes. You already know they cook and you can see how they cook. So you can try in the next time in any place in the Philippines. Oh, it's okay. You want? Okay.
Little bit only.
Okay, you can eat. You eat.
Descend, O house of David. Is it not enough for you to weary people, not to also?
Uy! Siglayo! Ah, sigla. Karita na kayo, karina kayo. Kita na kayo. This is the park here in Milwaukee. They already opened the light for the Christmas light or the Paris Christmas light here.
You go front.
anak si Jonah. Joseph, anak si Jonah, ito kanyang sinabi doon. At dito sa sinabi niya, si Joseph, ang sinasabi ko natin dito, throughout the whole time,
This is a
Saint
church.
Joseph did not have marital relations with Mary to preserve her.
So many
Because
people
he
Georgi
realized
now.
that it was God who was there. And this was an atheist speaking that way and telling his compatriots who were French. Now, Saint Joseph, nakikita niya ang mga Diyos ni Maria at itinalan niyo sa kanyang buhay mag-asawa. Ang Panginoon naman makikinig siya. He will be very patient and persevering with us. Ulitin man
Shaira,
natin
but
siya,
you don't know what time finish.
nandun siya,
I don't know what time finish here.
kami sa paligid siya. Kung minsan po yung napakinggan, valuable.
But very few foreigners Shaira here.
Puro po nila
Yes,
kailangan kayo. Yung kanyang
some girls look at us, look at me maybe. So,
serenity,
but they, I think, very small.
calm,
Small age. Small age.
Yes, it's teenager of course. But maybe have another people.
nandun siya,
Another
present
girl.
siya sa inyo kahit napakinig siya. Present,
But you don't know age, you can ask if you want.
or he is near,
They shy.
Of course, you also shy. Hello, hello.
What do we know about Saint Joseph? He loved Mary so much
Stay
that he
Shaira, thank you
expressed
for
his
watching.
doubt about her chastity,
I don't like the light.
knowing that he was not
Right?
the
I
father.
don't like.
He
So
regarded
thank you
himself
for
as the
watching,
father
guys.
of the
Please
child.
subscribe and like.
He brought up the child as
Salamat.
his own, Jesus.